61A, Lecture Number 12. Announcements. Midterm 1 regrade requests are due today. Homework 3, along with its optional contest, which is one of the homework problems, is due tomorrow. And Project 2 has been released. It's due next Friday. There's a checkpoint due next Tuesday to make sure you get started, and you get a bonus point for submitting by next Thursday. There is not a homework assignment due next Thursday, so all you have to worry about next week is finishing the project, which is about creating a program that measures somebody's typing speed. So here's the project. It's already released. I recommend rolling your mouse over this image because you might see some cool animations. It's not a terribly long project, but it does include everything we've learned so far in the course, including working with lists and a little bit of recursion. This project has a different structure than HOG, which was self-contained. This program that you're going to write actually interacts with another program, the graphical user interface for the project, which means that we can run something in the browser and you can control what happens. At cats.cs61a.org, we have a finished version of the project for you to play with so that you know what you're building. In the single-player version, you just type as fast as you can. So there's a sentence, and this is what you're supposed to type. And then, as you type, it's going to measure your typing speed in words per minute. Phew, 97.3 words per minute. That's pretty fast for me. You can pick a topic, and there's even some autocorrection features and a multiplayer mode that you'll discover as you work through the project. Now, you're not going to write the code that lays out what this looks like. Instead, you're going to write the code that computes the words per minute, the accuracy, and the time, as well as picking which sentences will be typed based on the topics of interest that the user selects. This is very common that there are two different programs that work together to build an application, so we give you one in this case, you build the other. So that's Project 2. Hope you learned something. It does depend on today's lecture content as well as what we've covered recently, so make sure you watch this lecture and then you'll be ready to start.